Welcome every single one of you beautiful people to this New York Open live with Eivindfx. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's go see if we can make some money. Other than that, hope you're having a fantastic day. So let's go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, silver, whatever is out there that we are supposed to go through. Ali is definitely on the chat today. Welcome very much, Ali. Ali, sorry, Assad. Sorry, that was the wrong person. But Assad, you are holding cells of what? Peter, welcome very much. I guess you're talking about gold. Gold is falling though, so that's pretty hot. That's pretty lucky on your view there. You did not expect that to happen. Yeah. That is a terrible mistake on your part. That is not how professional traders trade, by the way. Hello, sir. How are you, Mr. Mon Khan? I'm doing very well. I'm thinking of how we can spice up this YouTube channel. So I have a new suggestion to you guys. I don't know where I'm gonna put the price, but right now I'm gonna put the price at $30 a month. So today I am going to propose. I haven't made it yet. I'm gonna see if there's anyone interested whatsoever to pay $30 a month for being on a Zoom meeting with me every week. It's not for the Mentorship students, but because you already have that. For me every weekday to be in a Zoom meeting or receive a Zoom meeting link where I record the meeting and you get setups every single day at 11 p.m. my time, which is close of New York session. So you have all the way until London Open to put your trades in, basically for London Open. I already do that for the mentorship students, generally speaking, but that is a window into my mentorship-ish course-ish for $30 a month. If there is more than 3 people interested and there is a minimum of $100 a month interest, or if just one wants to pay $100 a month for it, then I'm okay with it. That is my minimum. If I'm going to bother that situation, how? Well, we're going to create a different chat in the Discord channel where you can get your link, and it will be every day at 11 p.m. that there is market opens. That means Monday to Friday. That is Monday to Friday. If there is any interest, if not, then we shall let it pass. Pound is strong today. You're too flashy with your screen, bro. What did I share now? Have I shared some? Some nude pictures? Howdy, howdy. Howdy do. Today I'm in EURUSD at 1,600. You're probably around break even right now. Let's see how that goes. Michael Pitrex says he's interested. Okay, cool. There's one guy interested. If you are in my Discord, please message me on Discord. So I have your name so I can give you the link and all those things. But yeah. So I don't know how I can set that up. But yeah, okay. I can just put up another link on the mentorship, or I can make a new. Nah, I don't want to make a new course. Blah, that's too much. Your brightness is too much today. Okay, so what I did, bro, was I did not have on my. I took away the curtain, basically. Okay, so for everyone to see, 3, 2, 1, see outside the window. There is outside the window. So that's the reason why. And then, yeah, there is a window light there. And no. So there's a palm trees out there, you know. Nice, right? So then 3, 2, 1 coming backwards again. There we are. Good. And yeah, I can see myself on my screen if you want to see my screens. But yeah, cheers to that. So that was gold at the moment on the charts right now. We have gold falling, okay, I guess, but nothing particularly different from yesterday, I guess. But it is going down. Mr. Jojo the Trader says, can the dollar and gold fall at the same time? Yes, they can. It might be unusual. It might not be what you normally would expect for happen in the market. But yeah, it is generally speaking mostly plausible. Because they have about different demands. So if you have bought 1600, you are at the moment break even. I yesterday bought EURUSD at 1591 and 1605. So that is my trades there. One is a bit of a loss and one is a bit of a profit. So at least, well, where do we go right now? Well, we have the retail sales in a couple of minutes. That's either going to make me a loser or a hero, depending. In 20 minutes, I think that's what the market is waiting for right now. So if we then go boom, oops, that was wrong. If we go down, I really like this pullback though, so that's okay. I can take that. I took that yesterday. And when did I tell you guys that one? Well, I told that to the mentorship students yesterday at around 9:11 p.m. So that should be these candles here. That's where I bought it. That's what you should have done. But that's all that. Hello, sir. No, you're never late, Harold. You are always on time. As a YouTube member, you're always on time until another day. Can GU continue up and EU continue at the same time? Yes, they can, Ishan. They can. Definitely can. So let's go through some dollars. That is at the moment just I don't know, ranging for the day. Nothing in particularly different there, I guess. It is, you know, it can go up, it can go down, it can go wherever way it wants to go. It's kind of like waiting at the moment. Oops, that was wrong. It is currently just waiting. Okay, I think that's a good analysis there. Nothing too major, nothing too bad, nothing too crazy, but it is there. It is. But if it breaks this low here, that would be fantastic. It has already broken this low, it's already broken this low, and if it can fall, that would be fantastic. But that's all. S&P 500 going boom, boom, higher today. Oh, it is nice. It is nice. And then Nasdaq as well is going boom, boom, to the moon, ladies and gentlemen, to the moon. Absolutely fantastic. Where's the direction? Well, I'm not going to celebrate that we did say this, but because I did say it, that we're going to go higher. I just don't know which day. But now we are celebrating that we have our higher high. So that is fantastic. That is amazing. I think that is fantastic. So yeah, what are you going to do now? Are you going to be buying here? Cheers, mate. Cheers for those who bought in at weekly M2. Cheers to those who bought at a monthly M2. Cheers. There was nothing left of that one. Hello, Sal Chito. Can pound dollar have a retracement? Well, I would love to have some retracement. And I probably should have bought this one too, because this one is pretty much better than EURUSD at the moment. So if you did your job, which I didn't, because I'm kind of focusing on the euro at the moment. But yeah, that's your entry, bro. When did I know this? I knew that there. I knew that is my buy entry. And somebody on some chat on someone's Discord said, oh, this is going to fall. And I'm like, no. So did I say you should buy this yesterday? I maybe have to go back into my trading journal and say, no, trading YouTube video from yesterday and say, did I say that? I don't know if I said that, but if I didn't say it, that's at least your entry. How do you know that from now on? That's what you're gonna do on Monday. Okay. Cool. I'll see, mate. Did it come down to the entry this morning? Oh yeah, there's a bit of entry there. Okay, nothing yesterday. Okay, still cool. Euro did come back to the entry this morning. Oh yeah, it did, surely. So that's kind of what you're expecting right there. If you are a dollar bull, you are waiting and hoping for this level to hold, making a lower low, so you can sell Monday. What is happening on euro right now? If it does make this low here, that is not great for any bullish price action at the moment. So that would be not so nice. So yeah, I think this is okay. Currently some preps in profit, but okay, I guess it goes. Let's see how the retail sales in 15 minutes goes, and that's definitely going to move Euro USD either up or down, depending. 1649 to 1634. I am looking at it to sell it. Okay, so that would be like this area here, give or take. Okay, cool. Pound yen. Okay, so what is going on here? What is going on? Is this the target? Is this the move of the year? Is this the move of the year? Wow. First of all, wow. Second of all, this might be the move of the year. Of this season, sorry. And it's just going higher. Do we have any form of entry requirements? No, not really. It is extremely parabolic. The only entries you can have, which is a target, which is up here. So, do I know that this month was going to break out? Is this something we can forecast? Is this something we can be taking advantages every single time? No. No, not really. No. This is... I don't know what to say. It's it is what it is. Can't really do anything about it, really. You see, CAD yen, Mr. Harold asks about. Yeah, still move the year, and I don't think it went down to any buy setups whatsoever this morning. Yeah, it's just parabolic. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you have? Sorry, do you have a? Do you have a strategy where you are trading or expecting parabolic trade movements? Because if we look into, let's say, this market since June, there hasn't been anything like it before. There has been in May, where it has been pretty strong, but not as much as this one. There has been back in February, but not as strong. There has been pullbacks. There has been in May, June last year, but not as strong. So I'm bound to say, if you got in it early, congratulations. If you are not in it right now, please do not buy a higher high. Wait for the pullback. It is going to go up in the end. Either if that's a 1 hour candle, 4 hour candle, daily candle, if that is a 4 hour pullback, going back to support at 91, it's 140 pips down, by the way. Or if your strategy is to buy higher highs, I have seen that happening to my account, buying higher highs. That yeah, that's how you blow accounts, by the way. Gold is about to reach the 618 retracement, and you're thinking it going down to 70. I think that Mr. Assad is happy that we are still falling. I am disappointed, but that is something between me and you. Other than that, it can go both ways. It can go both ways from here. I don't like these parabolic moves. It can snap, buy, stop hunters. Yes. GJs can buy its loco right now. Right now, calm down, first skip, buy or sell. Okay. I agree. So currently, gold is falling. That is the only currently I can mention to you guys. Is this gonna go higher? Is this gonna go lower? Sure. I have mentioned, I don't know if I've changed my mind every single day. You guys have to do my due diligence on me. But I have said we're not above 1800. We are above 1780. So maybe we can be buying. This fall is too strong. That means that I'm not gonna buy that one. If you're a seller on this one, you're kind of lucky, I would say. Well, anything else. But yeah, 72 something is pretty okay. Does that make you nice to buy next week? At least it's better price than 1800. But yeah. No, gold is it is what it is. So if you are currently on the 15 minutes chart and you are on the EMAs, you by now have breakout, yes. So either if you have that breakout, that's when you sell, or you want to wait for a pullback, which is kind of normal. But if you go down to 5 minutes chart on gold, you already have the break lower here, and then you have the pullback here. That's your sell. Pullback, sell. Pullback, sell. But this is very small pullback. This is only on this time frame right now that we have the opportunity to fall that much. You know, if you are 5 minutes chart, you are going to get a lot of funny signals, by the way, as to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So I wouldn't recommend anyone to be on there, but sure. That's at least the general trade, at least. Emily Basha sounds like she is a new person in here. I love that. So SlyFX asks for use Swissy. We can do that. And then we could do pound New Zealand because Emily, I think she's new. Unless my brain is tricking me. Very much welcome. Okay. So, Mr. Sly, you have a resistance, and you had a resistance, at least somewhere else that is there. You had resistance here, okay? So that's broken now. So that's your first attempt, the first attempt to sell, second attempt to sell. You are a buyer, you said, okay? So let's go, I don't know. Moving averages first. Check how is it? Not really bullish. When we go to the daily pivots, can we buy here? No, that's a first aggressive one on Monday at 92.43. So right now you only have the first low. You have the first low here, and then you need a second higher low and then a third higher low before you can buy. And right now, do you have a higher high? No, you don't have a higher high. You have a high, higher than those highs, but you don't have a higher high. So in a reversal, this is what you have broken here, and you're turning into this level here, and this is kind of where you can buy on Monday-ish of this level here. Unless you get a pullback now. I don't like it. I wouldn't buy it at the moment, but it can develop into something. But then you need to probably wait until Monday, see how today goes, and then just see how things goes. Okay. Yeah, but I don't like the fall, bro. But yeah, sure. Sure, that can be the low right now. Let's say this is the low. This is the low of today. Okay, let's do that. I don't like the fall though, but why did I go there? It's always nice to know. But yeah. So it's around now, give or take. Best between 2 and 4. And right now it's 2. So it's within the next 2 hours. Okay, cool, sure. But I wouldn't buy it. But yeah. So let's leave gold so we don't lose our money, I guess. Yeah. Yours, I'm just seeing on the other chart here. I'm down to break even at the moment. That this is, by the way, in my book, a breakout to the upside. Here we have crossed the 100 with 55. Not that it matters anyone to anything, by the way, but yeah. Because it doesn't happen too often, and whenever it does break below, we do have a trend. And this is kind of what I'm seeing. I hope, at least, this is what I'm seeing. That we have some kind of reversal, we have a higher high, higher low situation, and right now we're just stupiding around in this area, and we're still going to hold it low, and then we're going to break higher. That is kind of what I'm hoping for at the moment on Euro USD. And is this a trading pattern that I normally do? Absolutely yes. Is it profitable? I would say so, yes. Does it always work? No. So maybe this is today is the one that it doesn't work. Well, who cares, teddy bears? I'm happy with it. Yeah, okay. But yeah, so I'm expecting us to hold 1580. So I hope your stop loss is below that, by the way. For those who are in my Discord channel, I did say that that I am going to be the guest host on Trader's Nick channel on Monday. So there is not going to be. I don't think I'm going to make a live from us ourselves just for 1 hour. I think that will be too much content. As far as I know, he's not going to be there. Then I will take it. Then yeah. So I don't think it's going to be there. So that's going to be our live on Monday, just for you to know. I think that's an amazing opportunity for us to make some noise over there. I know your names, by the way, over there. But when we go over there on Monday, we're gonna make noise. Okay, we're gonna smash it. How are we gonna smash it? I don't know how we're gonna smash it. I don't know if you ever should have a hashtag, or if we should be celebrating mentioning all our profits. I don't know, but yeah, I really, guys, want you to come over there, support me. Just make sure that there's somebody coming. That's kind of investors. Yeah, but this is his main account, bro. So you need to put your shield on and really get out of your comfort zone. Yeah. So what we should do is that I'm just gonna think of something fun we can do that is positive, you know. But you know, I'm just gonna think of something because it's basically confirmed this morning. So because yeah, like it's like what do you call it? Like it's like when you have like championships for like national championships, right? And if you're from a specific area or something, you always make your own banners for your own area. You know, you have your own T-shirts. You paint yourself with a flag or whatever you're from. You know, you make your mark as to where you're from. But other than that, I just want to have assurance that somebody is joining in. Right? So that we just... Where did Eivind go? Well, he's not on Eivindfx, so I guess I don't cover. So, yeah. But I will post the link on Monday when I'm going live there anyways, so do not worry. But I think that's an interesting thing. Got your back always, man. Yeah, don't be shy there. And what he normally has is 500 people live there, so I think it's gonna get crowded. But that's why we have to make our noise. That's why we have to, you know, make our voices heard and our trade plans heard, because there's also a lot of, you know, buy sell there. You know, we need to be the professional sides of it. Cheers. Happy retail sales. The liberations. Euro is pulling back a half a second there, but I'm expecting dollar bullishness on that one. Shit. Okay. A super strong number there. Super strong number there. Okay. There goes that trade plan in the toilet, I guess. So Mr. Crypticore says he wanted to go down to 1580. Well, you're getting your pullback now, I guess. But yeah, currently loss. Fun. Pound is not having that much strong reaction. I guess it's too high. Aussie looks like it's gonna fall off the chart. But I don't think it's gonna do that though. But I don't see why this can make the market go bearish on euro dollar though. So that really makes me worried. That's why I'm not laughing and crying at the moment. But okay, sour. So absolutely super strong as retail sales coming out today. We have 0.7 month-over-month of retail sales, 0.8x auto, and control group is 0.8. Expecting was 0.4, sorry, or negative 0.2, and we absolutely crushed it mega. So yeah, sure. Just making sure that I don't lose my account. that's kind of where we are today. Yeah, it's a shit day. So we have 7 likes today. Okay, I need to get my things together. All right. So USD lately has been selling off like another seller, but it hasn't really re-entered any sell area for like 2 days now. Not yesterday, not today. Coming up now though, but yeah. I dunk Mr. Happy. Let's see that one. Euro New Zealand, it has hit our take profit. Boom. At least that's something I can say boom about. Oh, Pound New Zealand. Oh, I forgot. Oh. Why did I forgot about Emily? Why is nobody telling me to do Pound New Zealand? Bro. Behave yourself. Yeah, okay, cool. Right now you're having a pullback. Pound is strong, and I guess that's a target for whatever that is, weekly or monthly. Just guessing, but I guess. Alright, sometimes. That was the weekly target. Yeah, there we are. Good. Is it monthly too? No, okay. So for next week, I would say, in my humble opinion, that this is bearish and probably gonna sell off next week. Which prices you ask? 95.27 and 95.99. Other than that, yeah, cool. Guys, cool. S&P 500 coming in to hold R1. Time for pullback. We can always hope. Yeah. SlyFX back 90 pips on New Zealand Swissy. Yeah, okay, cool. So right now on New Zealand, no, pound New Zealand, we have a pullback here situation. You want it to go higher, and if it falls from here, but okay, then it is what it is. But I really want it to go even higher before falling. Did you buy this thing? I hope that your stop loss is below here. So in this area, where that's where you take your SL, and you say, this is not a buy opportunity anymore because we did not continue higher. So if you bought somewhere here or whatever it happened, you should getting out. That is kind of not my financial advice whatsoever, but that's what I would have done in a perfect world. So yeah, USD is pulling back up. Ooh, nice. So my theory was right about 50.80, but that's always okay. S&P 500 is more and more asked for in this chart. Can we have a pullback here? Sorry, bullish. I'm gonna go daily on this one. We haven't gone down to 44.20. So whatever happens on Monday, I guess, is kind of what I would hope for. But do remember, we are in October, that's all. But yeah, so deeper retracement. Those are your buys, and other than that, good game. So maybe I should call out some buys on Monday. China producer price rose to new record highs. That's great for Australia. FOMC meeting minutes green light for tapering. Singapore. Okay. USD weakness looks to be temporarily. Okay. USD Swiss suffer substantial drop to the 90.73 mark by Commerzbank. EURUSD is extend is advanced towards 75.56. So where is that? 56 up here. Okay, I guess that's pretty amazing. Do you close your trades on Fridays? Absolutely not. That is prime time to add trades. By the way, you got an entry, by the way, now on EURUSD to buy, if you're wondering. Okay, here Mr. Antang Huang is coming in here to ask us if he wants to take profit on pound yen. Here we have a master trader and is wondering if it should take profit on his 530 pips profit. Let's go check. No. Well, I'm not gonna make you decisions for you, bro. I hope you have taken partial profits already, by the way. But if I was to say anything on in this market, you don't have any lower lows, so you don't have any technical reasons to get off your sells. You are past all the targets that I remember, as far as I remember. But yeah, fun games, eh? The other one is, where is it going to stop when it comes to where is it going to stop when it comes to psychological levels? We are currently at 157 or 10. Okay, is that a psychological level? Is that a technical good trade? Sorry, good place to take profit? Well, you're above that one. So we have a multi-year high. By the way, people, we have a multi-year high. I would still be in it, by the way. But yeah, take partial profit and have fun with the rest of it. But yeah, all congratulations to Hong. All honor. There is nothing better than that. And Yeah. Nothing better than that. So I would, I don't know, go down to 1 hour maybe, or 30 minutes, and I would, like in this case, for example, I would say look for lower lows or retracements. I would look for if this EMAs are starting to diverge and going lower. I would look to other pairs as well. Are they starting to go lower? No, not really. CAD is kind of falling at the moment, but Euro is also a bit high. So I would look for reversals, generally speaking, on yen pairs, but in particularly pound yen, sorry. I would look for, is there any types of reversals here? And at the moment, no. Yeah. Gee, you are really pushing me right now. You're really doing real well, bro. I'm really happy for you. Absolutely fantastic. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if I can help you out, bro. First of all, on New Zealand Swissy, there is your buy zone. There is your target. How do you hold that trade? You just don't do anything about it. So that's that. The other one is going down to weekly. That is past your take profit on the week, so that's pretty nice. That is your take profit there at 65. So what you should do is make 2 orders, 1 weekly, 1 monthly, minimally. And you should have taken 50% off at the moment, and then let the other one run. How is that difficult? How is that easy? How difficult is that? That is as difficult as it is for a shy guy to try and go on a date with the most beautiful lady in the class. Okay, it's plausible, but it's a difficult task. So, what do you do? How? Well, let's do that, those bros. How to date? How to date the most beautiful girl in the class when you are the shy guy? Any tips there? This is fun, by the way. Michael Cardwell, are you in my mentorship course or are you not in my mentorship course? Unless I have to go check which Michael it is. Just asking. Or is the other Michael? There's at least 2. Yeah, okay, you're not. Yeah, then there's another Michael then. Okay, cool. Because then I could have shaken you up. But, okay. Invite her to the club, have a few drinks before you will be on. Tequila will be quick. Okay. So, for the shy guy in the group, to ask a lady, the most beautiful girl in class out is probably the worst or the most difficult task to be done. So, how do you date the most beautiful girl in class? I have the answer. You guys are not on it yet. Blackmail it. Okay, that's a Muhammad answer there. Sorry, I will have to take that away. If you in any types of this world are going to do anything, you need to practice, okay? And then if you're going to do it, you need experience, okay? And how do you get experience? You practice. And then you need confidence. How do you get confidence? By doing it confidence? By doing it all over and over and over again. This is the 3 major components to dating the most beautiful girl in class when you are the shy person. Is it possible? Absolutely. That's why there's a story of Beauty and the Beast. Not that the shy guy is the beast, but there we go. Practice. How do you practice? There's a replay button. Role play, I guess. Role play or replay into the back, into the whatever future, no, into the past, what has really happened, okay? How else? Back test. BT. How do you get experience? You try. How do you create confidence? You practice. Does that sound any resemblance to trading? Okay? And if you have experience, you have also failed. How do you fail? You try. How do you not fail? You don't try. But there we go. So, on EuroUSD at the moment, there is, in my view, in my brain at the moment, there is immense reasons of why dollar will be strengthening and euro dollar will fall. But that didn't happen, did it? Okay? Let me go through it. I showed you a couple of moments ago another setup where EuroUSD did this same thing. It has a high, it has a lower low situation, double bottom, higher high, higher low. Still not. Higher high, higher low. This is where I can buy very aggressively. But I also said that when this happens, in my view, that is when I have the best opportunities to buy moving average wise. Has it ever happened before that is not going too well? Yes. And did I buy this area? I probably bought here and it went back here and down again. Well, did it break above? No, it didn't break above. So I was too early. And now it broke below here, and what has happened ever since? We have gone lower. Falling, 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 falling. Right now, we are currently above. We are currently starting to go bullish, technically. Is there still immense resistance at 1633? Absolutely. So, did I just caught? Okay, stuttering. That's always nice. Did I just catch the most beautiful trade in my trading book? Yes. I just caught the most, in my view, the most. I see him, and Mohammed took away his comment. Don't worry, I'm not gonna punish you for that. I think it's a funny comment though. But yeah, shorting pound CAD. Is that a dumb idea? Says Nauman. I think it's pound CAD. Sure. No, not really. No, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty downtrend. But it is the cross pair that I am not happy about. It is the choice of instrument, of assets. Okay, that is, it's the choice of instrument that I'm not happy about, and sometimes you just need to shake up people because some people shouldn't trade gold. And they know very well why they shouldn't, and they still can't keep anything about it. Somebody knows they're not going to sell or buy pound Aussie because they have lost too much money on it, or they are not supposed to, because this is supposed to be strong and strong. What is supposed to happen? They're supposed to be in a range, by the way, if that is supposed to be happening. So you're actually making yourself, setting yourself up for failure and $0 in profit, generally speaking, fundamentally. Now technically this one can trend, and sure it does, but in my view you are setting yourself up for fail because you are taking a strong against strong. Your job as an investor, as an expert, you're supposed to find strong versus weak. So you have already failed at the starting line before you're even thinking of what is happening here. Okay? So if I'm going to be help to you, psychology, trading, educational, whatsoever, I need to have a clear bias. I need to have a clear, determined opinion of where this pair is going to go. If we now are going to sell pound CAD, by the way, are we paid to just trade anything technically bearish? Okay? Are we just going to sell anything technically bearish? What's the difference between you and a robot? What is the difference between you and a gambler? Where is your expertise? Where is your brain? Where is your analysis? Where is your competitive edge versus algorithms versus other traders? Think of that. You're a business. You have to have a competitive edge. What is yours? Does it make sense trading stocks different than Forex? Same thing. I'm trying out new strategies on stocks which work so far. In other words, would you apply your strategies on stocks? Now I would apply my strategies on stocks. Forex is more difficult than stocks, so strategy Forex also works in stocks. Yeah, I would say so too. If you're seller now, where's your stop? That's the other question. Yep, there is sells if you're seller and seller stop losses if you want to sell. And Muhammad says, lol, I guess that's about the blackmailing comment. Okay? So, as I mentioned earlier today, I am thinking about putting out, depending on how, well, my target is $100 a month for meeting up every day at New York close, which is my 11 p.m. I think it's 10 p.m. Norwegian time. It is 8 p.m. No, 9 p.m. London time, and whatever that is in the other time zones. There's going to be a meeting, a Zoom meeting. We meet together. You can ask questions, but then we will make a video. I'll make a video. You will be there. You can ask questions afterwards every single day. I already do that. I don't do that much, but I should do it more with the Mentorship students. They already have that in their prize. And I'm asking if there's anyone who's wanting to be a part of that every day, setting up trades for London Open. So you have like, is it 8, 9 hours, 7 hours, whatever it is, before you are supposed to enter your trade. The question is then, is there any interest? Second of all, what was I supposed to say?